Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we'll take a look at the euro currency. But in general, the situation on the euro currency and the Great British Pound, the two major currencies that we are following, are very similar. So as on the Great British Pound, we have the extended target to the downside. As on the euro currency, we have the targets 104.50. So the direction is the same. So and in both markets and in both currencies, we're searching for chances for taking the short position. So yesterday we have discussed the possible retracement up where we could be able to take in the short position, but unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, for those of you who already have the shorts, and probably this was fortunately, but for others who would like to get short, this was unfortunately. But anyway, euro hasn't reached the area that we have specified in our analysis. So right now we have another chance. Euro currency is gradually but stably is moving down, and it's 104.50 is now a short-term target. Today market probably will be relatively quiet due to Thanksgiving celebration in the United States. By the way, I would like to wish the happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Well, I wish you to spend this time and with your relatives, with your close ones, in the atmosphere of the family warming and in the love. So it's really not much days in the year where we could spend the time with our family. So I wish you to be happy and to enjoy this time with your relatives. So that's why probably today we will not get some significant action. On the daily chart, approximately we have the same analysis. Some kind of the bearish dynamic pressure is forming here, as we said, because trend stands flat or slightly bullish, price action stands in downward action. That's our target that we expect to get. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we see another bearish signs. Recall that we have discussed this wedge pattern that is forming right now on the daily chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart of the euro currency. Take a look what has happened recently. So market wasn't able to reach the upper border of this channel. So if we ignore this spike, then in this case we could say that market has reached the upper border of the channel, of the wedge. But if we will draw a line on the spike, as you can see that market wasn't able to do this. And keep an eye on the difference, how upward direction stands and how downward action stands. So market is forming this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost 14 candles to the upside and just 2 candles to the downside. That has erased all this action. So that was definitely the retracement. We have discussed this yesterday because the way of the moving to the upside is very choppy and overlapping candles, spikes and so on. This is definitely the retracement. That is signs of the acceleration. So that's contraction of the market, that's expansion of the market. The fact that market hasn't quite reached the upper border significantly increased chances of the downward breakout. Because although wedges in most cases works at the short-term reversal patterns, but sometimes they could become the pattern of the acceleration. So when the market stands inside the wedge and then breakout usually becomes very strong. It's usually the exit that is coincides with the direction of the wedge, usually very strong. That's why if market will turn into the downward breakout, this will be probably acceleration down. That's why on the hourly chart, guys, here is our picture. We have discussed this upward action yesterday and this A, B, C bottom pattern. And the fact that market is coiling around the 100% extension and doesn't show any reversal, we have come to conclusion that it could continue move to the 1618. But take a look what has happened. Market shows minor wash and rinse of these tops, just test the weekly pivot point and collapsed to the downside right to the weekly pivot support one. Now we see the respect out from the weekly pivot support one, and this already has been completed. Market has completed favorite 50% resistance. This euro currency we know like the 50% levels. So that has completed. The market turned down again. So it seems that right now, if you have missed the entry here, you could try to take the position here, because guys, till the 1 or 450 is 200 pips yet. So it's not small action, it's not small distance. That's why it's nothing really bad if you're taking the position. We'll try to take the position on the way down, whatever it will happen. So because the distance is really significant, and of course it would be better if you have taken the position at 108 or even higher levels that we have discussed when we move step by step with this bearish action on the euro currency. But even entering in some acceptable level when distance is still solid to the targets, also it's not bad opportunity. So keep watching what will happen here. But it seems that here it could be another chance for possible taking the short on the euro currency. If you will take a look at the British pound, then unfortunately, then you will see approximately the same situation as on the euro currency.